So let's check this exam problem. We have this fixed beam here, AB. It is 8 feet long, and we have a distributed load here of 10 kips over feet, and we want to calculate the moment reaction at support B. In order to do that, we are going to simply use the equation for the fixed end moment, which we have in our reference book, and it says that the fixed end moment due to this distributed load equals WL square over 12. So the W here equals 10 kips per feet multiplied by 8 square, which is the length, over 12. This equals 53.3 kip foot, because we used the kips unit for the load and we use the feet for the length. So the answer is number B, which is 53 kip foot. Thank you, and see you in our next video.